and it's leaking, guys. Now, should you use our SharkBite or not? That is the question that we're going to answer today. I am not a plumber. I am not an expert. This is just my opinion. But yes, guys, it's very simple, very easy to use. But there are some places where you should use this, and there are some places where you shouldn't use this. All right, if you guys don't know what a SharkBite is, this is a fitting. It's very simple to put on. It takes like a minute or less, and they do sell it at your Lowe's and Home Depot. So this is going to save you some money with the plumber. Well, it just depends, because if it's a more complicated job, it's not going to save you money. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And all this does help the channel out. Alright, so this is my hose valve here. And it's really old. It's 10 years old, and this thing's been leaking like crazy. And I just been putting this project off. So we're going to end up replacing this with a SharkBite, basically, and an adapter. Alright, so what we use, this is the SharkBite Max. This is one of the better ones that they have, made in the USA. It's a male adapter, 1/2 inch. And that is, it does have a thread on one side, and it does have the SharkBite on the other. It's very simple to use. I'll show you guys a diagram so you guys could see. Alright, so to the left, you got the O-ring protector. And then you got the release collar. That's the plastic part that's going to be sticking outside. You got the grab ring. Grab ring is going to be the shark, the teeth that's actually grabbing the pipe and not letting it go. And then you got the tube stop. That's very important. And I'll show you guys that right now. But that's where the tube is going to stop when you put that in. And of course, the rest of it's just out the housing. Here's another image, a 3D image, so you guys would see what it looks like. It does have stainless steel color on the outside. A real image of this, the O-ring and the locking mechanism and the SharkBite teeth, basically. The locking release. This is basically, you put this on top of the SharkBite, and then you can pull it, and you can reuse it or remove it and just replace it with another one. Alright, so this is my hose valve here. It's pretty much a regular valve, and then we got some Teflon there for the threaded side. And guys, if you guys notice that the price, it's not the cheapest, especially if you're going to be using this for multiple joints or bigger project, plumbing project around the house. If it's going to be something small like this, maybe just one valve, or maybe an exposed situation, like here I'm using, it's fine to use it on that, because if for some reason this goes bad, obviously there's an O-ring in there, there's some plastic going on there, and if that goes bad with the years, the last thing you want to do is rip the wall up and try to replace this. Use this on an open area where it's gonna be easy to just replace it, and watch it, of course, if it's leaking or not leaking. Alright, the first step is sanding it. You guys see how I actually did cut this with the angle grinder, and not the best cut ever, because that's all we had. So I did forget to buy a cutter. So I ended up putting the angle grinder to work, right? The DeWalt angle grinder. But as you guys do see, it's not the cleanest, and you do have to sand it. You do have to sand the edges. It does have a rubber piece inside, so if those edges are sharp, they're gonna break that seal. The O-ring, they're just gonna rip that apart. So the edges do have to be very smooth within the inside and the outside. The cut does have to be at a 90-degree, or an even or a nice solid cut. It cannot have an angle, or that piece that's sticking at the bottom. It's not acceptable. We're gonna take that off. That's the way it looks when it's finished. So it's nice and smooth. Do not sand the outside as much. Just clean it a little bit, because the SharkBite does need the full depth or the full width of that pipe to seal it. So this is basically how you do it. You clean it up, you put it in, you push it, make sure it gives all the way in, gives a nice strength to it, and that's it. You're done. It's gonna move sideways, but that's the way this thing works. And it's leaking, guys. It's leaking, but it's not leaking from the SharkBite. It's leaking from the hose connector. So we just need to tighten that up and should be fine. But yeah, guys, definitely use this on an open area, somewhere where you can be inspecting this. That's all I recommend. And you guys did see how it twists this. It twists back and forth, and it's fine. And this is the older one I just replaced. So about time I replaced it. And that is the newer finished project right there. So definitely check it out, guys. Let us know what you guys think down in the comment section. I know this is not a permanent solution to this, because over maybe 3-5 years I'm gonna end up replacing. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on. Let us know in the comment section what you guys think about the SharkBite. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.